A crew comes to your house to install jacks in your crawl space due to sagging floors. They leave you upset because your floors are still sagging. I know this could be an upsetting feeling. Stay tuned to hear what issues can arise when fixing sagging floors. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales at AccuLevel. I've been around the foundation business since my family started AccuLevel in 1996. I began working full-time at AccuLevel in 2013. Fixing your sagging floors is a process. In this video, I'll tell you how sagging floors are repaired, what issues could arise, and how there could be additional costs. By the end of this video, I want you to know what to expect when fixing your sagging floors. So when you tackle sagging floors, what this usually means is a couple different things. We're either adding additional supplemental beams, usually in our case it's going to be steel, or you're adding adjustable steel jacks to existing beams that are maybe sagging. The largest problem is trying to reverse the memory of the wood. What I mean by that is when floor joists or main beams sag, that worst part, the wood will not unsag a lot of times. So as you push up on it, the ends of those floor joists or those beams will actually come up with it and could cause additional damage to the home in the outside areas where there hasn't been any damage already. And with this memory of the wood, it's the biggest reason we installed a warranty with our jacks. That states that we'll come back 3 additional times over the 2 years following the installation to slowly reverse the memory of that wood. The other big problems that you can run into is additional cracking in drywall. So any time that a drywall crack has been repaired, since this has sagged, it's going to reverse that, and you're going to see more cracking in those same areas, as well as possibly additional areas. You'll also run into sticking doors that maybe were working fine before we did the repair. And finally, the biggest thing that can happen when you repair sagging floors is you expose another area that might still be down. So we found the worst area. Now that we've corrected it, we find another area that's down that will require us to do a little bit more additional work. The largest unexpected cost is just adding a few more feet of beam, usually. We've taken care of, we've diagnosed, and we've worked on the largest problem that you've had, the most glaring problem, the problem that you probably called us out to. The problem is once we've corrected that, now it shows a smaller area that's maybe down a little bit and not as significant as that area before, since everything was being drugged to that center location. And so when we go in and we add that extra beam or those extra jacks, that's usually less than the cost of the original contract or the original repair. If you have sagging floors, give us a call to schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors. You can also go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about sagging floors? If so, please leave them in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer those questions for you. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. We noticed that about 99% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. So if you could take a second to like and subscribe, we would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.